My friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When it's hot outside and we want a treat, most of us go for ice cream. It's so delicious and there are so many flavors to choose from. So far, I've posted amazing recipes like piña colada, blood orange, coffee, passion fruit, maple walnut, and others. Now, let's add another incredible one to the list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my black cherry ice cream. If you like baked cherries as much as I do, then this is the perfect cold treat for you. It's very easy to make and you don't need an ice cream machine to make this flavorful recipe. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll start by prepping the cherries. After being washed, we'll remove the stems and discard them. To pit the fruit, this is what I like to use. It works so well. Put the cherry in the designated cavity, squeeze it, and that's it. Done. When they're all removed, we'll cut the cherries in half before transferring them to a medium bowl. We'll add some granulated sugar, stir to combine, and let them sit for 15 minutes. While they're macerating, we'll preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 15 minutes later, using a slider spoon, we'll transfer the cherries on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, spreading them in a single layer, and keep any accumulated juice on the side. We'll be using it later. We'll transfer them to the preheated oven and right away, we'll reduce the heat to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll bake them for 30 minutes. But halfway through cooking, we'll turn the baking sheet around and continue for the remaining 15 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove them from the heat and then increase the temperature back to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is getting warmer, we'll toss the cherries around. Because I don't own a dehydrator yet, this is how I do this, and the same when I make my strawberry ice cream. But if you do own one, use your appliance and forget about the oven. When it's back at 350, we'll return the baking sheet to the oven, and this time, we'll roast them for only 15 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and scoop up about half a cup of cherries to reserve for later, so we can have little chunks in the ice cream. For the rest of the cherries, we'll transfer them to the bowl of a food processor, including the reserved juice from earlier. We'll pulse until almost smooth, leaving some tiny pieces. If you want yours very smooth, process it longer. It's your ice cream after all. I personally prefer when it's like that, almost smooth but with some texture to it. See? Just like this. Next, we'll transfer the mixture to a large bowl, and to this, we'll add a can of sweetened condensed milk, some cherry brandy, but you can also substitute it with my cherry simple syrup that I posted last month, and then a small pinch of fleur de sel. This is an ingredient used often in baking. And if you're not familiar with it, this is what it looks like and can be found in most grocery stores. So now we'll whisk the ingredients until well blended and set aside. Next, in the bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add our cold heavy cream and a little bit of powdered sugar. Using the whisk attachment, we'll process until stiff peaks form. I won't go into details about how to make the perfect whipped cream, therefore click on the top right corner of your screen for more info. What we'll do next is to scoop half of the whipped cream into the cherry mixture and fold these two together using a spatula. Now, we'll take the cherry mixture and add it to the remaining whipped cream. Just like we did earlier, we'll gently fold it in until well mixed. That looks good. But we're not done yet. We'll take the half cup of reserved cherries and cut them in two pieces. Not too small though. Something similar to this. Okay? We'll then add these delicious little chunks to the cherry mixture, including any accumulated juice. We'll gently fold until they're evenly distributed and pour the mixture into a chilled metal loaf pan. We'll level it out with a spatula and then gently tap it on the counter to dislodge any trapped air bubbles. We'll cover with cling film, followed by foil, making sure it's tightly wrapped. We'll transfer to the freezer until hard, about 6 to 8 hours. And my friends, this is our black cherry ice cream. Dark, delectable, and delicious. This is a recipe you really have to make this summer when big cherries are in season. This cold treat is amazing on its own, but just wait till I post my cherry cola float next summer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!